What up? He is my crazy dad. Hi, my name is Chicken. No, just kidding. My name's Maddie, but yeah.
Really? Just kidding? I thought your name was Chicken.
My name is...
Yeah, we're hungry. Yeah.
I gotta go potty.
Tell me what you want to eat.
That's our silly little Chihuahua Stewie. That's our little friend.
We're looking at Mommy.
The little bitty Stewie. Look at that face. Who would not love that little bitty face? It's so cute.
Hello, Jack. Nice to see
That's
you.
our other dog, Jack, who was also cute.
It's too dark still.
Tongue. Dad, you're so silly.
Goodbye.